Hello and welcome to my new video. In the other video, because I can't remember, we built the Legolas, Gimli and Wizard of Oz fun pack characters, and now it's time to build the arrow launcher, axe chariot and winged monkey. So we're going to start off with the arrow launcher. I'm here with my friend Oliver Seed.
Hello guys.
And he will be turning the pages and helping with some of the building. So everyone, we'll need the base and we'll need the cylinder brick as usual, as every base goes. And we'll need a circular brick. Could you just pass it to me, Oliver? I can't reach. Thanks, Oliver. And this goes on to the base. And we'll need 2 claw tiles. There's the other way. Could you help me find the other one, Oliver? Oh, here it is. And we'll need a wheel connector. And we'll need a 2x4 brick, which goes over here. And a brick with the studs on the front, if I can reach it. Start over. Thanks. I hate that creaking door. We'll need like this brick with this. Thanks for the 1x1 brick, Oliver. And we'll need another 1x1 brick here, and we'll need this like miniature version. We'll need 2 dishes for wheels. There's the other one. And we'll need 2 bricks with the bending bars. We've seen grey ones on the gyrosphere. Where can you see it, Oliver?
I'm not sure.
Oh, here it is. We didn't see it.
There it is.
And we'll need a circular jumper plate and a claw tile. It's over there, Oliver. You can put both of your hands on the screen. You just need to put the remote down. So we'll need a double hinge and a jumper plate. Oh, thanks for the rays. We'll need some rays. Oh, thanks for the single studs. And where's that curved brick? Here's the jumper plate.
Yes, where is that?
The curved brick. Curved brick. It's curved over, Oliver. In case you don't know. But where could it be?
Oh, here it is.
Thank you. I wasn't watching the colour. Thanks for helping with that, Oliver. Oh, so this goes over these studs, and we'll need a big long spear and 2 thinner spears. No, shorter spears. Actually, let's put them in the middle. So we'll need 2 of these golden bricks. These aren't new, it's the white ones on the sentry turret. And we'll need some hooks. And what was that? I wonder who that was. So, don't click finish, Oliver. And just click the circle. So, we'll need to fix these onto these bendy bars. And the arrow launcher is finished. So, now we can move on to the axe chariot. So, we'll need this Technic brick going into the middle of this 1x4 brick with holes in. and going into the middle hole of the other one. I will need a black 2x4 brick. Could you help me with these, Oliver? We'll need 4 more Technic bricks. Lots of Technic bricks at the start of the axe chariot. Move your hand a bit lower down, Oliver, so everyone can see. So, now we'll need a 2x2 brick in the middle.
And then we'll need one of...
And I'll need a double claw. We've got that, Oliver. And could you just pass me that? Thank you. These bricks with the studs on. I want to call something like this a stud plate.
4 of these pieces.
4 upward bricks with the studs on the vertical side. Oh, I slipped.
Oh.
So, we don't need the bit. So, I will need another claw type. And we'll need 1 face Trevor's bricks. I called them again. I keep calling them 1 face Trevor's bricks. We'll need like a pointy wedge. Wait, where? Oh, it wasn't beneath the camera. It just went in the direction. We'll need 2, and we'll need 2 bars which go on these hooks. And we'll need a couple of. Oh, thank you. We'll need a couple of curving up bricks. This one goes on that. So triangular bricks. And we'll need 2 claw tiles going sideways like this. Going round the side, we'll need 1 of these. And we'll need
1 of these.
And we'll need like one of these. I don't know what they're called. Please tell me in the comments if you know. And I can't stop saying that. And I don't know why. Wait a minute, Oliver. We'll need one of those like pointy wedges. Another one. Where?
Where are they?
Now, where?
These?
No. But let's take a look around. So, where could it go? But we'll have a look for them another time. Let's just leave them for now. On the sides, we'll need some hinges. We'll need a circular jumper plate and a single stud like the one Oliver just grabbed. Thanks for the bricks, Oliver.
You're welcome.
So we'll need 2 comb bricks and 2 flames. We don't need those, Oliver. Those are part of the winged monkey. Could you pass me the other cone? It's there.
This?
No, the cone. There,
Oh, the
there.
cone. Silly me.
And these go on these claw tiles. There's actually a flying upgrade of the axe trap. Now, the wheels of the axe trap are very clever. Well, you've got like the 4 of these circular bricks and 4 flat grey dishes, and these go over these Technic bricks. Thanks for helping me pluck. I almost said pluck them together. Could you put the other one together?
Yeah.
The
There we go.
So
And then we'll
on
need
the side,
2 of these.
we'll need 2 axes, like Gimli's axe. Did you notice Gimli had an axe, Oliver? Like that trick I showed you that he could do?
No.
And now we can put it on its base. I've already got them on, but just leave them there. So we're going to put it on its base, and it goes in the middle. And here's the axe chariot. So we'll take that away, and we can begin the winged monkey. So here's the winged monkey's base. And so we'll need to put it together. We'll need this 1x2 see-through ring and a claw tile. There's lots of claw tiles used on the winged monkey. So we'll need one of these curved bricks. I don't know what they're called. I've told you that so many times in some videos. I told you that earlier today even. And we'll need a 1x1 brick. Here it is right next to me. And we'll need a claw.
And then a curved one.
And then a curved brick. The winged monkey, like all of the versions
of these, and then a jumper brick.
A jumper plate. And a single stud, a blue single stud. Now we'll need a Travis brick.
2 of those.
So we'll need a second Travis brick, and we'll need smooth single studs on either side. Oh, could you just pass me that 1x1 brick, Oliver?
And then
I need
this.
Oh, thanks for the wedge. Thanks. Let me just get this. Oh, I was putting it on upside down. How silly of me. And we'll need the other flat single stud. Oh, and this is new. So we're going to fix it on. And we're going to fix it over the winged monkey's body. And we'll need a claw. And we'll need a pipe.
And also one of these.
And another one of those bricks that went on the winged monkey's head in gold. It came out of the claw. It's a good thing Lego uses Travis bricks, because on the back you can easily just slide them in. Well, the winged monkey doesn't yet have any arms, so we are going to build them 2 at a time. So we'll need 2 bricks with the circles through them, and some 1x1 bricks. 2 of them, Oliver, not 1. We're building 2 at a time. Next, we'll need one of those curved bricks and another claw. So, and we're just going to fix them off here on either side. Next, please, Oliver.
Okay.
And some brand new wings. So this one on the side, and this one going on this side. And no, that one goes on that side. So that one goes on that side. So the one now, let's try this out. This one with the wing goes here. Just flip through the instructions on the other arm. Just hold the X. So this arm goes here. Click the circle over, please. And we'll spread the wings out. So, and here is our winged monkey. So if we bring in the axe chariot and the arrow launcher, here they are.
That looks really good.
Thanks for the opinion, Oliver. So we won't have upgrades for the arrow launcher and the axe chariot as soon as you think, but we will have upgrades for the winged monkey in store for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a comment down below. Please hit the thumbs up button, and we'll be back with a new video, hopefully an upgrade on the winged monkey very shortly. Bye everyone.
Bye guys.